Okay, good morning, grade 1. Today we are going to study on how to design our slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first, we have to open the Microsoft PowerPoint application using the search box of our computer. So first, we are going to type the word PowerPoint, that's PowerPoint. And once you see the logo of Microsoft PowerPoint, which is a red circle, and on top is a square circle with the letter P on it, that is the PowerPoint application icon. So you click open, click the blank presentation, and the first slide that will come out on your screen is what we call the title slide. So if you can see here, there's a big text box on top, and there's a smaller text box on top. So the bigger text box is what we call the title text box. Title text box. And at the bottom is what we call the subtitle text box. Okay, so teacher, this is my first slide. How about teacher if I wanted to add another slide in my slideshow? So first, you can go to the left thumbnail of your slide. So this is like the big white rectangle with a red border. And then you will do a right click on your mouse. And then you look for the word new slide. You click it with your left clicker of your mouse, and then another slide is added. Also, if you don't want to use your mouse, you click on the menu bar. You look for the menu, for the insert menu, and then on the first one, you will see the new slide word and click it. And then there's a new slide added. So for this one, you can see here the title slide is in a smaller text box. Title text box is here. So for our title, let's just put my slideshow. And then there's a bigger text box at the bottom. Here you can add your text. You can add more letters. You can put here your shapes. You can put your videos and sound. So for this one, this is it. But teacher, I just don't want it to be all white. I want to design my slideshow. So here, you are going to go to the menu bar again, click the design menu, and you will see different slides with different designs. So that is what we call the themes. So here, those are what we call themes. So what are themes? Your themes design your slides. So there are already available designs that you can choose from. You can press this down arrow key and you see there are a lot of designs to choose from. It could be blue, it could be green, it could be red. So let's choose the blue. Once you click the blue, you have chosen your design. All your slides will have different design based on that theme that you chose. Okay, another feature of a slideshow is that we can change the layout. So what does layout means? Layout refers to the arrangement of things inside your slide. So for this one, my slide, my title is on top, and then the other letters, pictures is here at the lower text box. But how about teacher if I wanted to get another layout? So again, go back to the slide thumbnail, do a right click and look for the word layout. So in the word layout, you see there are different choices to choose from. This is the title slide. The one in the very first slideshow that we have, this one. Now we can also have this title and content layout. This is the title and content layout. This is what it looks like. What if I wanted to have two content? So let's try this layout. So let's do it on the third slide. So how to change the layout? Right click, go for layout, and choose the one, let's say, two content. because this one, this is the title text box. I want to put my slideshow there. And here, I want to put my name. And then on the other text box beside it, I want to add my picture. So how do we add pictures? We go to the menu bar, we press insert, pictures, this device, and we go to save pictures folder. This is where teachers save the dog picture that I like. You click the dog and then click insert. And then that's it. The dog is already there. Oh, you can also choose different designs for it. So for this one, I want to choose another theme again. So where will I go? Menu bar, design, and then click for other themes. Automatically, the design of your slide changes. Now, how to save our slideshow? Now, we will go to File, Save As, Browse, and this one, I want to put my slideshow. The name of my PowerPoint is my slideshow. So you just choose a folder where you wanted to save your slideshow. So I want to put it on my desktop and then press save. Okay, so that's it for the PowerPoint presentation.